Hello. So today I thought I would share my plotter haul. I'm sorry about any glare there is, but I bought this when I was at Atlas Stationers when I was home visiting family in Chicago over the holidays. So I'm just gonna put this receipt aside, but I wanted to hold on to this so I could let you know about prices as well, because I know plotters are a hot topic, and yeah, I figured I'd tell you everything there was to tell you about it. So just looking at this plotter, I was really debating between Bible size, which is like personal, and mini, which is kind of similar to pocket. And I don't know, I was like going back and forth, and family was waiting for me, so I was just like, okay, just pick something and move on with your life. So I ended up picking what I originally had wanted, which is the Shiranami Mini 6. So I ended up going with the smaller one, and then I bought some accessories to go with it, and hopefully, let's see. I literally have not opened any of this since I bought it. I bought it on December 27th, 28th, something like that. And I just wanted to like make sure I picked the right color. So I like glanced at the color, but that is literally it. So this is so exciting. I actually get to like put this together. So this is the Shiranami leather, and I think it's so pretty. I wish it didn't have this mark, but that's okay. It is kind of like a gray blue tone, and obviously, as you saw, it came in this kind of dust bag. So inside the box you get like a little pamphlet. Why can't I pick this up? So here's like a little page to give you information about plotters, like logo and whatever this is. Oh, it's like usage information. That's funny. And then inside here, there's a whole bunch of things. Fun. Oh, so this is like really cute, actually. The definition of plotter and their like logo. So I feel like that would be cute to like punch and put in even. Oh, there's even like a number. That's so cool. I love when things are numbered. I love this pink. There's like so much info. So much info about like care and stuff like that. Oh, there's a binder warranty. Interesting. And then precautions about the rings. Wow, there's so many things. And another one of these. Okay, so I always think this is pretty too in the back, how they have, it's kind of hard to see on this, but I've seen it on some other people's plotters where it's like the plotter logo. But anyway, let's set all of this aside. And so just to give you an idea, this one was $135 US. And I think what's cool about Atlas Stationers, I know I've heard this on a couple other videos, and I personally have never ordered internationally from them, but I understand that you can order internationally from them. So if you have been looking for plotter and you're living elsewhere in the world, you might be able to order from Atlas and get that to you. So anyway, excited about this. This is just cool color. I feel like this color is good. It's a good vibe, and it has silver rings, and I definitely wanted to get the, I think it's like the Lisio leather or something, which has rose gold hardware. So I may try that if I, like this and find this to be something that I use. Okay, I'm gonna take this stuff out, and then we'll take a look at the other items that I purchased and start putting this together. And let's see. Okay, so when I bought this, they also gave me this like postcard, which might look a little glary on the screen right now, but it's really cute. It says 36 views of Mount Fuji, and just is like a plotter postcard that came with my purchase. I don't think it fits. Oh, it fits in the box. Great. And then I also picked up these items. So I wanted to get the ring supporter, the 5mm dot grid. Sorry about all the glare. I'm going to unwrap all of this soon. The pen holder with lifter. I was like debating if I wanted to get this or not, but then I kind of thought like, might as well, if I go home, start setting this up and then want it, then I have to like wait to order it and blah, blah, blah. So whatever, I bought it. And then I also got the band with the lifter. So let's open all of this and put this in here and see how it goes. And one thing that I did want to mention, while I was like touching the plotters that they had in the store, the thing that I like thought was really cool about it is that it has like a really traveler's notebook kind of feel, and they are related companies. I don't know if they like are owned by Midori or like what the exact business structure of it is, but they're definitely, you know, related companies, so I can definitely understand why it has that same kind of feel. The leather is thicker, I believe, than my traveler's notebooks. Let's see. Maybe it isn't. This is not a good example because that one has customizations. Let's see. So let's compare. It's a good idea. Compare. Oh, can you see this? So it's actually very similar to kind of like a traveler's notebook, but I feel like the vibe of this leather like feels more sturdy, and I guess that could be, or not more sturdy, but more thick, but actually they're like not really. So that's good to know. But I think if you're a fan of traveler's notebooks and you enjoy like the leather and how things wear, but you miss having rings, like I've seen some people put rings into their traveler's notebooks as DIYs, probably because the plotter craze is definitely happening on Instagram right now, but I think this is just really cool. It feels like a book bound. It still has that book bound vibe, and it has rings, so it's really cute. And I really did not have any plans for this plotter, unfortunately. It's just crazy, but I just have been thinking since like forever about buying one. By forever, I mean like I was watching random videos like in the spring about plotter that I came across with different like travelers company YouTubers, and then when, you know, Hannah and Lindsay and a bunch of people on Instagram started getting them and using them, I was obviously reminded of that interest, and then I just kept thinking about it. So I'm definitely like falling into the hype right now, but looking back at a lot of the challenges that I have with rings, sometimes I just don't have enough to fill things with rings, but it really is beneficial to have like pages you can take in and out and organize in certain ways and stuff like that. And then like last year periodically I kept thinking about doing like a pocket setup, but what would it be for, etc. So I was like, hey, this is a good opportunity to try something new and see how that goes. So anyway, I put the page lifter in. So that's the first thing. Oh wait, nope, should have done the ring supporter. Let's do that. I think you're supposed to do this with the rings closed. Yay. Like that. Okay. And then let's see the page lifter with the pen holder. Let's see what pens fit and what I feel about this. And just a note, the ring supporter was $9.80. The pen holder was $14, and so was the band. So definitely these accessories can start like racking up the cost, but you know, just buy stuff, I guess. Okay, so this is the Uniball 1. whatever these pens are, Uniball 1. I use the 0.38. I really enjoy 0.38 pens and uni pens, and yeah, I'm pretty sure this is 0.38. So that fits okay in here. It's a little bit snug, but no issue getting it in. This is a new Jetstream multi-pen that I picked up at JetPens in the last couple months, so that fits no problem. So I would say you don't want to go thicker than this guy. And let's try this TWSBI Eco. I think it's gonna be hard. Yeah, it's a little challenging to get that in all the way. Let's see, what if I did this? Yeah, so the challenge with the TWSBI Eco is getting it in like right on the cap. I feel like this is not gonna fit. This is a Sarasa Dry Air Fit with a grip. I'm not even gonna try that. Let's try, this is a mild liner. That's no problem. So I think if you have a pen that's like a mild liner size, then you're good. This is a Sarasa Grand. See, that fits perfectly. Yay. So let's see, my Pilot Vanishing Point. Will you fit in here? Yeah. Cool. That is good to know. All right, well, that's not helpful that I just did that with the rings open. Ooh, I'll try one more fountain pen. So this is a Kaweco Sport. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that fits fine. Good. Okay, cool. Now let's open up this 5mm dot grid. And what's kind of cool about this is that it comes like bound. So all of these pages are bound into this thing. So you could stick it in fully like this if you wanted. I'm not really sure for what purpose, but it's, I think, helpful for storage too. So you could just take out the number of pages that you wanted to put in and then just put this like as a one item into the rest of your, you know, storage for things. So I don't know if I'm gonna put anything in there yet. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. So let me know if you have like a pocket size planner, how would you use it? This, as I mentioned, is not quite exactly the size of Pocket. So let's actually grab a ruler and we'll talk about the differences. Definitely just got my ruler stuck to an ollie clip, so that's cute. So I'll just shut the rings here. We'll do this and let's close this. Okay. Ugh, look at how cute this is. I'm dead. Oh, and it's cute with the pen too. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. Let's take this pen out. I'll put it back in my pile of junk over here, basically, is what's happening. So, looking at this dot grid, let's put this here. Let's measure. So, across the top, we're at just over 3 inches. So this is 3 1/8, I think. Am I crazy? And then this way, this is just about 5 inches. So I want to say Pocket is like 3.5 by 5.5, or I might be mixing that up with something else. But as you can see, it is not quite pocket size, but obviously a lot of people use pocket size inserts in their plotter. and there's just a slight difference between those inserts and the ones that you can buy from Plotter directly. So they had a bunch of other inserts as well, but I just picked up the 5mm dot grid because I like dot grid, and figured we'll see what happens with this, and I could basically make any layout I want, you know, if that's where this went. And I think I'm gonna put this back in the packet until I figure out what I'm doing. All right, so this is a look at the Plotter Mini 6 in Shiranami. Again, this is what it's called. Oops, upside down, not helpful. And it's super cute. So I'm gonna keep this on my desk until I figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I'm not gonna put it back in the box, or am I? So I'm gonna keep these together and figure out what to do with this. And yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. If you have a plotter, if you've used Plotter in the past, how would you set up this little mini 6? And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye.